Hello everyone, welcome back. In previous classes, we have covered about the JSON to XML transformation, JSON to Java transformation, and JSON to CSV transformation. In this lecture, I am going to see JSON to Java, XML to Java transformation, XML to JSON transformation, and XML to CSV transformation. So let's again go to the AnyPoint Studio and let's implement the project. In this flow, if you have seen in the last time, we have did the all the make changes as per the requirements. Let's delete the clear the metadata, and for this also let's clear the metadata. Again, let's clear the metadata. Okay, now for this both metadata I have cleared. I want to implement the project, that is the XML to JSON. Okay, so let's take the you can directly add from here also, but it is already I have already taken in the previous classes into the src main resource folder, so it will automatically populate here. So let's select the XML format and just click on select. In the output metadata also select the JSON format that I want to in the output. Okay, and this will automatically, you can see it will automatically came here. This is the I am sending in the XML format as a input. I am getting JSON format as a output. Let's map this flow. I want to map to this, I want to map to this, and I want skill to skill, email to email, and I want request URI to request URI, not, it is address to address. And if you see here, I did the mapping with the XML format to the, this is the XML format, you can see this is the parent and it is child, and I am mapping with this Java and fields. Okay, and this is the, if you can see, this is the thing automatically it generated for the code. What I am doing, against name I am taking value from name payload. Okay, this becomes so lengthy. Okay, I don't want in this format. Let's delete the code whole. I want to keep code simple. Okay, this is looking fine. Okay, let's map now. Let's map this to this. You can see automatically I have preview is enabled, so automatically how basically output is going to come, it will shown here. Now let's map this to this to this, and this to this. Earlier, if you seen, lots of code was showing, that was unnecessary early created. I don't want to keep unnecessary code. You can see what I am doing. Against name I am taking value whatever coming from the dot payload dot emp detail dot name. You can see the I am fetching name from the payload. So if you know the dot operator is used to go inside to fetch the value, I am fetching value of name from the payload dot employee detail. Under that, this is the field I am fetching value and storing this under this, so that it will generate like that. Okay, now it is done. Now let's send the message of XML format and let's see how basically coming in the output. Let me change the message format to XML, and let's copy the XML message from here and send it. Let me remove this and let me click on beautify. Okay, now this is the XML format and I am going to send, and let's wait till it is deployed. Once it is deployed, I am going to hit the flow. So I am going to send this XML format to this request. After that, it will came here, it will print the XML message that I am sending from the input. Here it will came and it will transfer the message to the XML to the it will transform XML to the JSON because I have added metadata in the XML format in the input and JSON in the output, and it will do transformation. After that I will print here the payload, that is as a coming as a response in the output, and I am going to see what coming into response over the console. Okay, so let's hit the flow. It is deployed. Just clear the screen and just hit the flow. Flow has been hit. Let's move into debugger mode. Let's move forward. You can see same input message came here, what I am sending from here. Now it will do transformation from the XML to JSON. Now transformation has been done. Again I am going to print the output of JSON, that is going to similar to here in this console with the help of logger. So you can see same thing is printed here, and if you see here same thing came here at is name MPID. So this is the XML format, and this equivalent this is the JSON format that I am getting in the output. So we have done the transformation of the XML to JSON. Now let's move forward to do the transformation of XML to Java. Again to similar that I have done earlier, I will do same work. Let's clear the metadata, this one. It is not required, and let's clear all unnecessary codes, all thing. I just simple write here as a payload. Okay, once you write as a payload, it will link this to this. You can see automatically whatever coming in the input, it will link to the output. And I want the message into the Java format. Let's read Java and click on preview to see how basically it is going to look. Just click on create preview. It will create, you can see it created the preview, and this is going to look into this format. Okay, now let's hit the flow and see how basically it is going to look into the output. So in this time I am going to send the XML format, and I will expect the response into Java format, and I am doing nothing. I am just linking the input to the output in the Java format. Okay, that's all. So let's wait till the application to be deployed. After that I am going to hit the flow. Still it is deploying. You can see here it is showing the percentage. Once it will be deployed, again I am going to perform the operations. So let's wait for a few seconds. So once I will hit the flow, it will come here. It will print the input message. It will do the transformation from the XML to the Java, and it will make the response. It will print the response that I am going to get over this console. So let's clear the console. I think it is deployed, and let's hit the flow. I have hit the flow. Let's move into debug perspective. You can see the XML format that I am sending, that is printed here. Transformation to Java done here. Let's see what is, you can see whatever the coming in the output that printed here, similar thing. That is, if you see here, everything will be my name, skills, that this all thing is printed here. Let's see over the what is printed over the here. You can see it is the something Java format. It is so that it is looking like that, but every detail like that, my email ID, my address, my skills, my employee ID, my name, everything is printed here. So I have done the transformation from the XML to Java format also. Now this time let's do the transformation for the XML to CSV format. Again, I have in the last class already I have shown you how we can do in the two way. Let's do first only in the one way, and I am giving you to try the other way. Okay, so let's simply what we have to do, go to Java and make the output format to the CSV. Okay, it will automatically make the preview. Just click here on the preview. It will print the output to the CSV format. So let's wait till the application to deploy. And once it deploy, I'm going to hit the flow. I am just printing the output into the CSV format, and just whatever coming in the input, I am just injecting to the output. So let's, I think it is deployed or not. Let's see. It is still building. Let's wait till the application to be deployed. Application has deployed successfully. Let's clear the console and let's hit the flow. I just hit the flow. Let's move into debug perspective. It came here. It will first print the whatever I am sending in the input in the body. Let's move forward and it will do okay, it is here failing. Let's why it is failing. Let's see. Cannot foreign object to string. Okay, let's here coming the something error. Okay, let's fix this issue. Rather than doing this way, let's do other way. Okay, let's plan to do in the other way. Why this way? But this will also work. But define the metadata. Click on define metadata. Just select the CSV message. Just click on select. Let's wait till the loading the metadata. Just map this name to name, EMP ID to EMP ID, skill to skill, email to email, and address to address, and click on preview. You can see now it is coming perfectly. Now let's again deploy the application and let's see how basically it is going on. If you are very poor in the data wave or not knowledge, and you can do this type of transformation to avoid some writing the codes and these all thing. Again I am going to hit the flow, and this time we are expecting the output same as this one. So let's wait till the application to be deployed. Application has been deployed successfully. Let's clear the console and hit the flow. Just hit the flow. Let's move into the debug perspective. It came here. It will print the body data, that input message. Okay, it will do transformation to the, now you can see transformation has been done successfully. And if you go here in the payload, you can see, you are going to see the same what I am expecting. You can see. And let's move forward. You can see now this time it is successful. You are going, you can see same thing, that is name, EMP ID, and the value against it. Okay, let's see what is coming in this output. You can see the same thing is coming into the output also in the response. So we have done the transformation of the XML to JSON, XML to Java, and XML to CSV. So hope you have enjoyed this lesson, both about the JSON to transformation, XML, Java, and CSV, and XML to Java, JSON, and CSV. So if you have any question, you can comment me, you can send me email. And if you are new to my channel, you can subscribe me for the latest video and upcoming video. Thanks for watching the video. Thank you.